Ladies and gents, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video, a nice quick little last tidy up bits before we hit the track literally tomorrow morning. So currently sat in here, you can see the fuel cans back there. So the job today is going to be to fill those up and obviously top up the tank. Basically get as much fuel as I can because I don't want to be spending loads of money on fuel at the track. I should be able to get 20 litres all in all, so that shouldn't be a problem. But I have actually got some footage from a couple of days ago where we got the brake calipers finally repainted. If you haven't watched the video where we've done all the brake work originally, click up on the right hand side. I've mentioned time and time again about how I wanted these brake calipers done in red, and finally, after waiting, I think it was 6 or 8 weeks or something, we finally got it booked in and I'm over the moon with them. So what I'll do now is I'll quickly run the clip where we get the brake calipers refurbed, and I'll catch up with you guys in just a bit. I've literally just left work. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We are about to go and drop off the 308 to get some more stuff done. So this is the last little, this is the only really the cosmetic thing that we're going to be doing for the track day, which I don't know if it's a good idea, but anyway, it's booked in now. I've been waiting an absolute age to get the brake calipers painted, paint refurbed, and thankfully today, on this very, very sunny day, it is the day that it's all going to happen. So I'm currently driving back. We've got an appointment booked in. I'm going to drop the car off for about 9:30, leave the car with him all day, and hopefully we'll get back some fresh calipers. So I haven't gone with anything crazy. I haven't gone with anything out of the ordinary. I'm going to stick with red. Currently the front calipers are already red, but brake caliper video where we changed out the seals and whatnot, a lot of the brake fluid ended up going on the calipers, and in turn it has ruined the paint finish on them. So it's not a problem, but we do need them refurbed. We're going to stick with the red. They're going to have the original logos all put back on, and then currently the back calipers, they're not red, so we're going to get them painted red as well, and hopefully all in all they should look sick just in time for the track day at the end of this week. But anyway, I'm currently on the road, as you can see, so I'm going to crack on, get some music on, get the car dropped off, and then I've got a long walk back home. So I'll see you guys shortly. All right, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, I've had a look. I picked up the car. They look so fucking good. They look so good. I'm going to try and find a place where I can pull over to quickly show you, but he has absolutely smashed it out of the park. This looks so much better. I cannot explain. Give me 2 seconds. I'm going to find somewhere to pull over and we can have a quick look at them. But my God, what a difference. What a difference. Okay, I found a spot. Let's go have a quick look. Here we go. Here we go. So should we start with the backs first? I think so. Oh my God. Look. Right, excuse how dirty the wheel is. That's not his fault. This is my fault. But let me see if I can try and get so close in there. They are absolutely mint. Like, oh, I could not be happier with that. Same with the other side as well. Oh, just look at, like, obviously you can see the yellow caliper through the paint and stuff. Oh, mate, but the front, the front looks even more insane. Oh my God, every inch of it is just perfectly flat. He didn't even, you can see down here, he didn't paint the pipe like most people do. He masked it off, and obviously still got the logo on there. Oh, you can see the yellow pads through it, yellow on red. You can't really see it, this is in the way. Hopefully the other wheel will be a bit better. Yeah, here we go, here we go. Oh my God, I can see my bloody reflection in them. They look so good. I'm actually gassed, bro. I'm so happy right now. So if you guys want to go check them out, we haven't worked together. We haven't done like a sponsored video. I paid full price for them, but genuinely, it seems like businesses at the moment are all scammy. This is the first time in a while that I've paid for something just out of my own pocket and actually just been blown away by the service. The guy had done an absolute amazing job. So the guy is called Alloy Smart Refurbs. He's based in Worcester, does wheels and calipers, obviously. give him a shout on Instagram or anything like that. The dude's he's a sound guy, sound bloke, and he's a grafter. He does a good job, you know? So I'm happy to pay for any service where the guy does a good job. All right, so that's brake calipers looking absolutely fresh. They make the whole car look terrible, really, because they are like so fresh, but not a problem. I was planning on cleaning the car today, this evening, but it's obviously getting too late now. I've just actually been flying around with my power motor, hence why the fuel cans are now empty. So I've used up most of the fuel. We need to go fill it up, but I think before we do that, I'm going to load the car with everything we need. So I think what we're going to need is the jack, a couple of jack stands, the toolbox, coolant oil, gearbox oil, and a torque wrench. I've got the jump leads already just in case. I don't think there's anything else. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly lay something down in the back. I'm basically going to try and put it all together ready for tomorrow morning, and then hopefully we'll quickly drive to Tesco, get some Tesco 99 RON fuel, whatever it's called. What's it called? Super unleaded or something like that. Anyway, yeah, we'll top up the fuel cans, and if there's anything that's like knocking about or stuff, we can sort it. So let's get quick. The sun is setting. We're playing against time, but this is the final evening. This is the final moments before we hit the track. So, well, let's shut up and get loading. Let's get cracking. I wonder if you can still hear me. I'm literally inside my house right now. That is the question. Opening the back gate. Right, we don't need that. We will, however, need the toolbox and the torque wrench. God, where the hell did I put that? I'm going to pile everything outside first. Get ready for noise. Right. One more thing. Torque wrench. I found it. Right, torque wrench. I might not have the girlfriend's approval to use this blanket, but if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but I'm also not sorry because I'm going to use it. So, right, good. Right, you can sort of tuck it in. Yeah, I like this. So I think obvious things, fluids can just go down here, right? Now, axle stands, can they slot in here? Not really. Oh yeah, and then the brake fluid can just slot in. Tools, torque wrench, and to be fair, I could put the torque wrench and the toolbox. I was going to do my back end doing like that. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Fuck's sake. Right, 2 seconds. Right, I've taken the handle off. And oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh. And there is the main piece of the puzzle. Right, that's all secure. Fuck it, it can rattle. Right, let me show you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we got. So we got 2 fuel cans, which we're going to go fill up. Toolbox, torque wrench, jack stand. Jack stands. Gearbox oil. Sorry, brake fluid. Oil, coolant, and me. Car is started, right. Right, let's go and fill up with some fuel in these jerry cans. As the final job, oh my God, at Tesco station. Now, I'm gonna film, but you're gonna be in the car because they might tell me off. And it's my local, and I don't really want to get barred. Right, I'm gonna set you up in here. Hopefully they are okay with these jerry cans. They normally are. Obviously I filled up a lot here when power motor in. Right, we'll do them 2, and I'm also gonna fill up the car with the same fuel. Pay at pump only. Insert payment card. Fuck. We have an issue. It is pay at pump only. Fuck. We're going elsewhere. All right. Mr. Man is happy for us. I don't normally come here, so this is Esso. I'm pretty sure Esso is Tesco. And we're gonna give that 99 plus a go as such. I've heard good things about Esso and Tesco. I've heard good things about Shell. It's all just all just a game, innit? Wow, we are filling up 5 litres. This is 160.9 a litre. Oh my god, my poor bank account. 10 litres in that one. I'll go for this one. Woo, look at that, it's going. Oh my god, the price. 20 litres. Now we're top of the car. See how much we can go for. Currently 37 quid. 38, 39, 40. Alright, we're brimmed. £45.74. I don't want to spend any more money at this track though. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Why is Shady playing on the radio, bro? It's fucking 2024. Oh, blimey. Okay, we are all full up. See, full tank as well, so we'll just reset the mileage. Not like it really matters. That's pretty much it, man. That is everything I got. It's a nice, short, little, quick video. This is it. I'm so fucking excited for this track day. It's unreal. I literally cannot put into words how excited I am. So, yeah. The next video you see will be me waking up in the morning and picking up from there. We'll meet up with AD. I think a couple of his mates are going as well. Let's hit the track, man. Let's have some fun. This is why we bought this car. It's why I bought this car in July, nearly a year ago. Crazy stuff. So yeah, let's have some fun. Fingers crossed all goes well. And well, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.